Let's see how you can find the Windows Spotlight lock screen images in Windows 11. Search for Run, and in the Run dialog box, type %local app data % and click on OK. Now from here, go to the Packages folder, find the Microsoft Windows Content Delivery Manager folder, and go to the Local State folder, and then the Assets folder. These are the lock screen images which you will see here. Now simply right click and click on Sort By and select Size. Now I'll recommend you to select the files which are of 300 KB and up, as these are the good resolution images. Simply select all of them and copy them to a location as per your preference. Now you need to rename these files. Simply rename the files with an extension of .jpg and hit enter. That's it. Now you will have to do this for all the files which you have copied. You can also select this .jpg and copy it and use it to rename the other files by simply pasting them after the name of each file. That's it. Now you can use these images as per your wish. You can set it as Windows background. So thanks for watching. Keep supporting the channel. Thank you.